Hello everyone, my name is Guy Selga and today we are at Aulani in Hawaii, Disney's resort out here in Ko'olina, and we're going to show you what it's like staying at Aulani in 2026, and we're going to take a look at a one-bedroom villa. Very nice, can't wait to show it off. Let's get started. Okay, I'm in the entranceway right now, and you start off in the kitchen with pretty much everything you need to live for however long you stay at Aulani. We got a full-size refrigerator and freezer. As you can see, we got it stocked up with leftovers and food and drinks. Full-size fridge, or freezer, I mean. All of these cupboards are stocked with glassware and whatnot. We have the Keurig coffee maker with pods and tea. Stove. You can make whatever you want. There's also grills outside that you can borrow tongs and other utensils for to grill any groceries you may have. Delicious meats and whatnot. Microwave. Plenty of storage. There's the ice bucket. There's a rice maker. And there's the dishwasher. So here's a full shot at the kitchen. Plenty of room here to do whatever you need to do. Right next to the kitchen is a washer and dryer. Very useful. We really enjoy having a washer and dryer available to us so we can go home with nice, clean laundry, have one less thing to do when we get back to the real world. Very useful dining area right here. Full-size kitchen table with a bunch of chairs and bench seating and whatnot. Big lamp over it. That locks off into next door. This is a pull-down bed right here. That's big enough for any child. And that, if you're not using it, it folds back up. This couch also converts into is it a king-size bed? I think it is a full king. I could be wrong. Maybe it's a queen. Anyway, it pulls out into a bed. And it's very comfy, by the way. And then there's also this ottoman and a couple of chairs. And I believe the ottoman has a extra pillow and blankets inside it. We'll get to the balconies in a minute. Showing off the art on the wall. Very nice. And of course, this lamp, which I love. So this is hidden when the lamp is off, but when you turn it on, you see Mickey catching a wave. Very cool. That's the living room and dining area and kitchen. And a closet right here, by the way. The laundry basket up there and the safe. And okay, I think the ironing board is in another one. Anyway, we're going into the bedroom with the king-size bed right here. We got a desk with a full back chair, always appreciated. I'm a work from home person. Take my laptop everywhere, get some work done. Really appreciate workspace like that. Side table here with, wow, nothing to charge. I wonder, yeah, there's an outlet. There's a couple outlets back there. Maybe that's one thing where Aulani is a little behind. We just got out of a studio room also. There's not really a lot of plugs or charging outlets or anything like that. So maybe that's one thing they could add. Great bed. The sheets are very comfortable here. When you check in, there's probably going to be some kind of towel art. Here's a Mickey with a little flower. And this is also a hair clip that you can wear in your hair if you so choose so. Dresser, entertainment center with a TV. Ceiling fan. There's also a ceiling fan in the living room above the couch, which is nice. So the one bedroom has this room with a closet and this great tub with jets. Got the soaps built right in. Get yourself a bubble bath going. It's wonderful. And if you are so inclined, you could move these shades over, have a view of the ocean while you're doing a bubble bath. It's lovely, I gotta say. There is a sink in here as well with a mirror and vanity and all that. And then walking into the bathroom, which has a door which leads into the entranceway and a full-size mirror, by the way. Another sink, plenty of storage. We always like that, plenty of storage. Toilet, and a huge walk-in shower. The walk-in shower has a handheld thing that can be removed, faucet thing, and then the rain shower. They can't both go at the same time. It's one or the other, but still, it's great. Water pressure is wonderful. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash built into the wall. Now, let's go out to the balcony to check that out. You may remember a video I uploaded last year from Aulani. Our one bedroom was in the Ava Tower, and this is in the tower that I can't remember the name of, but I'll put it on the screen right now. And the other side is facing a future hotel expansion. I believe the Atlantis Resort Company owns that spot. It's empty now. I'll do a little insert with what that looks like. This side of the resort is facing out onto the Four Seasons. But, I mean, you still get quite a lovely view, I gotta say. There's some mountains out there in the background. You can see plenty of ocean. And it's overlooking the hydro spa portion of Aulani Spa. By the way, I've never seen anybody out there using that as many times as I've come here, which I think is 6 times now. And then the adults pool is over there. And it's got the 2 chairs with the pull-out, leg rests. Very nice. And of course, there is also the balcony on this side, which they don't connect. The other tower, it does. The other tower, we stayed in one bedroom where the balconies do connect, and it's one big, giant balcony. And it overlooks the lawn where they have the luau, which is fun because you can watch the luau for free. So that is going to do it. That's a tour of the 1-bedroom suite at Aulani. It's very nice. I don't think anything is really particularly worn down. Things are in generally good condition. The maintenance is good, and nothing's looking really worn out. I think that's what I'm getting at. Like I said, the only upgrades it could use is maybe more charging outlets. But other than that, it's a great room. Love Aulani. And what do you think of Aulani? Have you stayed here? Let me know what you think. I especially want to know what people think paying with cash versus DVC, because we stay here on DVC. We did 4 nights in a studio and 2 nights in a 1-bedroom. I don't remember how many points that cost, but if we would have done it in cash, it would have been over $4,000. Aulani is very nice. It's up there with Hotel Miracosta and Wilderness Lodge as my favorite Disney resorts. It's kind of those 3: Aulani, Miracosta, Wilderness Lodge, Animal Kingdom Lodge also. Anyway, those are kind of my favorite resorts. But is it $4,000 for 5 days nice? I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comments, because I really want to know. And any questions you have also. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave us a like. And I'll see you next time.